Hey, what is up YouTube? So, after the downfall of TikTok and other Chinese apps by the Indian government, Instagram has quickly acted upon it and made 15-second videos just like TikTok, which were made on sounds, music, and with these dialogues are now on Instagram. These videos are of 15 seconds and are called as Reels. Reels video are launched in India, Germany, France, and Brazil. I think this happened due to the non-existence of TikTok, and also you might already have seen various reposts by various creators and other people of the same TikTok video on Instagram in your search or explore page, right? You can add your own music on the reel or the music that are available in Instagram library.
So here you can select audio for your reel. Just you can browse it from here. All the songs are right there.
This is my attempt of making a tutorial on accessing reels on your smartphone, and also my first try to make a reel.
Okay, so this is how you use reels on your Instagram app. So you just have to go into reels and get started. So here you can select audio for your reel. Just you can browse it from here. All the songs are right there, and you can select the speed of the video that you are going to take. That can be 2x, 3x, or it can be a slow motion video. You can add some effects like this. Just click on any effect that you want, this one or double one or any such effect, whatever you like. And we have the timer that goes from 0 seconds to 15 seconds. Set a timer, clear timer, clear effects. This is how you take a reel video. I haven't tried it before, but it's working fine right now. Now let me show you how you can make a reel video yourselves.
I ain't been getting high. Well, maybe a little, baby, I don't wanna lie. I know when you text me, girl, I don't always reply. Well, you're not an angel either, you can't even fly. I know this.
That's how you make a reel video. The video is short. You can write the caption or hashtags, and there's the cover of your video that you can select anywhere, or you can add from your gallery straight up wherever you want your pictures to be, and also share it on the feed. Reels may appear in the explore and can also be seen in the reels tab of your profile. There will be a new reels tab on your profile, and you can also share it in your stories or share it with your friends. This is how you gonna get reels on your feed while you share one. If you share one reel, wait for it to upload and finishing up. If this reel is just finishing up, and if we see, you can delete it, you can copy the link, you can save the video, you can save,
Talking, making me
you can share it with your friends,
feel bad.
you can comment on it,
Them
you
kids,
can
bro.
like it,
Look around, bro. Look at life.
and you can go and make
Come on,
one
pal.
more.
Man, these kids.
So you just refresh, and these are my reels. So save the video
Man,
first.
talking, making me feel bad.
And
Man, them kids, bro.
I'll delete the video now.
Look around,
This is
bro.
how you delete
Look
the
at life.
reel video.
Man, you're right. Man, you see these
And
fine
now
over here?
it's gone. Literally gone. Okay. So this is how it's done.
If you have any queries related to Reels on Instagram, do let me know in the comment section below. And also, I have mentioned a link in the description that takes you directly to the Instagram Reels help page, which will let you know more about Reels. Do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Yo soy Harshal, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.